All right, everybody. There's talk about AI potentially replacing my job as a software engineer, so I wanted to play around with it and talk about it. A few years back, I had a job interview with a Fortune 25 company, and one of the questions that they asked me was to rotate an n-by-n matrix in place. What makes that kind of tricky, I thought, is the in place part. And that's not something that I've done in the past before that question. And I was kind of thrown in for a loop. And I think that was about an hour long interview. And I did pretty terribly on it. So I still remember to this day. And now that this ChatGPT bot has been released, I wanted to take it for a spin and see if it could solve an equivalent problem that I found on LeetCode here. So let me go ahead and read it. It's asking to rotate an n-by-n 2D matrix representing an image by 90 degrees clockwise. And you have to replace this image in place, which is very similar to how the question was posed to me during an interview. So yeah, let's look at this example we have here. It's pretty simple. I guess if you look at it closer, you see that they just rotated it in place here. Yeah, and let's see if this bot can solve this problem faster and better than I did. Can you rotate an n by n matrix clockwise in place using Python? It's the question that I was asked during a job interview, almost verbatim. So here we go, it's thinking. All right, so this function takes in a matrix represented as a list of lists and rotates it clockwise, which, as we could see, is what is happening in LeetCode as well. So that's a correct input. Nothing we need to do here. The function works by iterating over the elements in a matrix in the spiral pattern and swapping the elements that are at the four corners of each iteration. Okay, so let's go ahead and paste this code directly into LeetCode and see if it works. Probably going to be some formatting issues here, but that's okay. See if I can solve that. All right. Boom. All right, that looks good. So let's run it. Wow. Okay. Output as expected for both cases. And let's go ahead and submit it, see what happens. Yeah, the solution been accepted. Like the previous few that I've tried before making this video that have also worked. And looks like we're beating 75.91% of other users doing this. So what do I think about it? From this example, the AI would have gotten this job over me. So why don't we ask the AI to write a script for this video and tell us what it thinks. Write a script for YouTube video talking about AI replacing software engineers. All right, let's get straight into the conclusion. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to assist with certain tasks in software engineering, it is not yet capable of replacing human software engineers entirely. Instead, AI and software engineering will likely evolve together, with AI algorithms assisting human engineers and enabling them to work more efficiently and effectively. This will bring new opportunities and challenges for the field, and it will be interesting to see how it develops in the future. Thank you for watching. Okay, cool. I actually could like that and submit feedback. I think that it actually is right. I think this will ultimately become a tool that can assist engineers in their day-to-day work. All right, that's it for today. I'm super curious to know what you think about this, and if you've played around with it, let me know what your thoughts are. I think this is pretty cool, and it definitely broke my brain when I found out about it. So, peace.